support the Hurricane Melissa Jamaica Schools Recovery Fund. Hurricane Melissa damaged over 616 public schools in Jamaica, leaving a trail of ripped roofs, flooded classrooms, collapsed walls, damaged water tanks, blown-out windows and waterlogged furniture and equipment. Many of the learning spaces for our children have been so torn apart, they cannot reopen safely without major rebuilding. The government of Jamaica is funding the rebuilding, but the devastation is so widespread that they cannot do it alone. Our children need all of us, every parent, every community member, every Jamaican and friend of Jamaica at home and abroad, to help restore their chance to learn, dream, and thrive. We welcome any support you can give. The National Education Trust, NET, is the lead nonprofit for mobilizing charitable donations in support of the education sector in Jamaica. NET established the Hurricane Melissa Jamaica Schools Recovery Fund to coordinate repairs, rebuilding, and the replacement of essential resources for affected schools. Why your support matters. With your help we can repair roofs and classrooms so learning can restart. Restore essential infrastructure to keep schools safe. Replace desks, books, and learning tools destroyed by the hurricane. Set up temporary learning spaces where needed. Rebuild the schools that suffered the worst damage. Every dollar brings us closer to getting students back into safe, stable learning environments. How you can give. You can support the recovery by donating financial contributions or in-kind items, which qualify for customs waivers when consigned to NET. You may choose to support a specific school or contribute to the general fund, helping the schools with the greatest need. Be part of the comeback story for Jamaica. Every contribution, large or small, helps restore hope, stability, and opportunity for our students. Give today and help the children of Jamaica get back on their feet and back into the classroom.